Albany? Where are you? There it goes. See, I still got something. Wait, what?
Storm warning in effect from 1 p.m. Sunday to 7 a.m. Monday.
I didn't switch that to...
What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 6 and 9 inches. Where? The Mid-Hudson Valley, Eastern Catskills, Central and Southern Tectonics, and the Rensselaer Plateau in eastern New York, western Massachusetts, northwest Connecticut, and southern Vermont. When? From 1 p.m. Sunday to 7 a.m. Monday. Impacts, roads, and especially bridges and overpasses.
I didn't switch that to...
Snowfall rates up to 1 inch per hour are likely
What the heck happened?
Into Sunday evening. If you must travel,
Channel 6 isn't
keep an
going
extra
off.
flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Be prepared for slippery roads. Slow down and use caution while driving. If you are going outside, watch your first few steps taken on stairs, sidewalks, and driveways.
Respectfully.
These surfaces could be icy and slippery, increasing your risk of a fall and injury. Now for the official National Weather Service.
Alright, Gray just continued their watch, but I'm still really hoping that later on they decide to actually tone it out.
Here is winter storm watch information for the following.
I'll have to play that back. I think that went off. But I could be entirely wrong. I went over here. Huh. I'll take a look, see what happened.